If you're a developer in Web3, there is no better place to build than on DeSo. DeSo is a layer 1 blockchain that is quickly becoming the social layer of Web3. And in this video, we'll cover how DeSo is enabling builders and developers to get new projects up and running in a matter of minutes, and makes building the next great social application so easy. One of the largest barriers to entry for building new social applications is the cold start problem, which is a term coined by Andrew Chen of A16Z, and he wrote an entire book on this topic. In order for a social network or application to succeed, it obviously needs users. But user acquisition is incredibly difficult and it can take years to build. However, with DeSo, this is a non-issue. Because DeSo is an open layer 1 blockchain, social applications are able to build on a foundation of already existing profiles, data, and content. Imagine if you wanted to build the next Facebook or Twitter, and from day one, you could start with millions of users and a plethora of content. DeSo offers this opportunity and makes it easy for builders and developers to tap into this already flourishing network and avoid the cold start problem. Another major problem with Web3 development is the difficulty in learning new programming languages such as Solidity and Rust in order to understand how to write smart contracts. But this is not the case with DeSo. With DeSo, developers can start building front-end applications that interact with the blockchain using familiar programming languages such as JavaScript and Python. DeSo enables millions of existing developers who are already familiar with these common programming languages to tap into the potential of Web3 with ease. Check out the DeSo Developer Hub at hub.deso.org to get started building decentralized social apps on the DeSo blockchain today. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Another significant issue that arises when building on general purpose blockchains is the cost of storing data on chain. The cost of storing profiles, followers, likes, pictures, and other common data on chain can add up very quickly. Building a scalable social application on existing blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche are next to impossible because of how expensive it would cost. But DeSo stores and indexes data in a unique way that makes it significantly cheaper than other blockchains. Developers can build on DeSo without worrying about spending large sums of money to facilitate on-chain transactions. This enables a whole new array of Web3 applications that was previously not possible. And speaking of likes, make sure you hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more decentralized social content. Arguably, the best part of building on DeSo is DeSo Identity. DeSo comes equipped with a full wallet and identity solution through DeSo Identity that developers can integrate with a few lines of code thanks to DeSo.js, a JavaScript framework that makes interacting with the DeSo blockchain via API endpoints much easier. There are 4 key benefits. First is derived keys, which makes it easy for applications to submit transactions on a user's behalf by issuing a temporary key management solution. This makes it possible to do things like subscriptions and other key functions. Second, we have login features. DeSo makes it super easy to create an account by logging in with an existing Google account, which just creates a seed phrase and safely secures it in a private Google Drive folder. And third, we have the wallet. Users' DeSo identity is also their wallet. It creates a public key for the user which stores all holdings from social assets like a user's profile, content, and social graph to financial assets like DeSo, creator coins, DAO coins, and NFTs. And lastly, we have Starter DeSo. DeSo Identity also provides a method for earning a small amount of Starter DeSo by verifying a user's phone number. This makes it so users can immediately start transacting on-chain. And because DeSo is so cheap, the tiny amount of Starter DeSo can be used for tens of thousands of transactions. Building in Web3 can be difficult and expensive, but DeSo is revolutionizing the approach to decentralized social media and makes building in the ecosystem easy, cheap, and effective. Some of the applications already running on the DeSo blockchain include Diamond, the decentralized version of Twitter, DAO, a Web3 social fundraising platform for DAOs and online communities, Entra, the decentralized LinkedIn connecting Web3 professionals and like-minded individuals. But we are just getting started. Who will build the next Web3 Reddit or Web3 Discord? If you start building on the DeSo blockchain today, it could be you. And if you want to start building on DeSo, you need to understand the importance of on-chain state and why it is so cheap on DeSo compared to other blockchains. And you can do so by watching this video right here.